In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a report of a cost center in the profit and loss section using Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance professional, understanding how to navigate this platform effectively can greatly benefit your financial tracking and reporting. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. It's important to ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once the website loads, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this button will direct you to the login page where you can enter your account credentials. If you haven't signed up for Zoho Books yet, you'll need to register an account and then log in afterward. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. Here, Zoho Books displays an overview of your financial dashboard, providing a quick glance at your financial health. It's a good habit to take a moment to review this overview to ensure everything looks as expected before proceeding with generating the report. Next, on the homepage, you'll need to locate the Reports section. Usually you can find this option in the main navigation menu. Click on Reports. The Reports section is a crucial feature within Zoho Books, offering extensive insights into various financial metrics and summaries. Once inside the Reports section, you will be presented with a myriad of report types. Scroll or search through the options. Keep an eye out for the Profit and Loss report, as this is where you can consolidate the cost center information that you're seeking. Selecting the Profit and Loss report will open up settings where you can specify the parameters for your report. Make sure you have your desired time frame and filters already in mind before you begin here. This could include setting the date range for the financial data you want to review or choosing specific cost centers to focus on. The customization in this step is vital as it ensures the report displays only the information relevant to your needs. Once you've set the desired parameters, proceed to run the report. In a matter of moments, Zoho Books will generate a detailed breakdown of your profit and loss report. This breakdown can be viewed directly on your screen, printed or saved for further analysis. You can now closely evaluate the specific cost center information within this section, helping you make better informed financial decisions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully navigated through Zoho Books to obtain a detailed report from the profit and loss section. I hope this guide empowers you to manage your financial reports more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.